What is the ketogenic diet and how it differs from all other diets? There are so many different diets out there that it can feel like you're drowning in a sea of endless choices. But look no further because the ketogenic diet has pretty much everything you need. Among the proven health benefits of this diet are weight loss, mental focus, increased energy, controlled blood sugar, stabilized blood pressure, and so many more. Interested? Then keep on watching. Before we get into all the tasty details, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to hang out on the bright side of life more often. Okay, so what exactly is the ketogenic diet and how does it work? Well, the word keto comes from the name of small molecules that our bodies produce called ketones. They're basically an alternative fuel source that your body uses when glucose, aka blood sugar, is in short supply. If you consume fewer carbs, the things that break up into blood sugar quickly, and moderate amounts of protein, which can be converted into blood sugar as well, your body produces the necessary amount of ketones and starts running almost entirely on fat. Your insulin levels become really low, while fat burning increases dramatically. To put it short, when you follow the ketogenic diet, it becomes easier for your system to get access to your fat stores and burn them off. As a result, you lose weight incredibly fast. But unlike a lot of crash diets out there, this one doesn't hurt your system. It'll still work like a charm even through all these changes. And while this diet seems like a dream come true, not everyone can follow it. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure and take medication for your condition, the ketogenic diet isn't for you. Women who are breastfeeding should also steer clear of this one. Always talk to your doctor before you start a new diet because only a medical professional can tell if your body can handle such changes. If they give you the green light, they can also give you a few tips on how to make it safer and easier for your system to cope with the new menu. The ketogenic diet is sort of an overarching term. There are actually a few versions you can choose from depending on your preferences. There's the standard ketogenic diet, a low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat diet consisting of approximately 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. Cyclical ketogenic diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, for example, 2 higher carb days after 5 standard low-carb ketogenic days. Targeted ketogenic diet allows you to add carbs around your workouts. And higher protein ketogenic diet, like the standard ketogenic diet but with more protein, changing the menu to 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbs. Keep in mind that the safest choices here are the standard and high-protein ketogenic diets since they've been studied more exclusively than the other 2 types. The cyclical and targeted diets are more suitable for bodybuilders or athletes. But enough with the theory. Let's have a look at what you can and can't eat while on a standard ketogenic diet. You should base the majority of your meals around these foods and ingredients. Meat, like red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, or turkey. Fatty fish, including salmon, trout, and tuna. Pastured or omega-3 whole eggs, grass-fed butter, and cream. Unprocessed cheese, such as goat cheese, cream cheese, blue cheese, or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or chia seeds. Healthy oils, especially extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Low-carb vegetables, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and most green leafy veggies will do. Healthy herbs and spices. As for the foods you should avoid under any circumstances, they are sugary foods such as soda, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, and anything of the like. Fruits, that includes whole fruit and fruit juice. Grains or starches, including wheat-based products, rice, pasta, or cereal. Beans or legumes, such as peas, kidney beans, lentils, or chickpeas. Root vegetables and tubers, for example, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, or parsnips. Products labeled low-fat or diet. Unhealthy fat, the kind found in vegetable oils, mayonnaise, and other products. Alcohol. The perfect beverage choices for the ketogenic diet are water, coffee, and tea. Just avoid sweetening those up with sugar. You can add a small amount of milk or cream to your coffee though. An occasional glass of wine won't hurt your diet either. Getting started with any new diet always seems like the most daunting task. To make it a bit less confusing for you, here's a 7-day ketogenic meal plan that you can follow or use as an example when creating your own. Day 1. Breakfast: a sausage and spinach frittata and a cup of coffee with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Lunch: half a cup of simple egg salad, 4 romaine lettuce leaves, and 2 slices of bacon. Dinner: 6 ounces of rotisserie chicken, 3/4 cup of cauliflower gratin, 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar-free Caesar salad dressing. Between meal snacks: half an avocado with light salt and pepper and 24 raw almonds. Day 2. Breakfast: again, a sausage and spinach frittata and a cup of coffee with heavy cream. If you want to change things up, you can make an egg, tomato, basil, and goat cheese omelet instead. Lunch: 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free Caesar salad dressing, and 1 cup of chopped leftover chicken from yesterday's dinner. Dinner: 1 Italian sausage link, 1 cup of cooked broccoli, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Between meal snacks: have another half an avocado with light salt and pepper, and add 5 sticks of celery with 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Day 3. Breakfast: 2 cream cheese cupcakes, 2 slices of bacon, and a cup of coffee with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Lunch: 1 Italian sausage link with 3/4 cup of cauliflower gratin. Or you can have a shrimp salad with olive oil and avocado for a change. Dinner: 1½ cup of chili spaghetti squash casserole, 2 cups of raw baby spinach, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free ranch dressing. Between meal snacks: 2 sticks of stringed cheese and 1 cup of bone broth. Day 4. Breakfast: we're back to a sausage and spinach frittata and a cup of coffee with heavy cream to drink. Sugar-free yogurt with peanut butter, cocoa powder, and stevia is an alternative option as well. Lunch: 1½ cups of chili spaghetti squash casserole or stir-fry beef with vegetables cooked in coconut oil. Dinner: half a cup of antipasta salad, 4 sun-dried tomatoes and feta meatballs, 2 cups of raw baby spinach, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Italian dressing. Between meal snacks: half an avocado with light salt and pepper and 1 cup of bone broth. Day 5. Breakfast: 2 cream cheese pancakes, 2 slices of bacon, and a cup of coffee with heavy cream, or a ham and cheese omelet with vegetables. Lunch: half a cup of antipasta salad and 4 sun-dried tomatoes and feta meatballs, or chicken salad with olive oil and feta cheese. Dinner: 1 cup of Cuban pot roast, 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Between meal snacks: 5 sticks of celery with 2 tablespoons of almond butter and 1 cup of bone broth. Day 6. Breakfast: 3 scrambled or fried eggs, 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 slices of bacon, and a cup of coffee with heavy cream. Lunch: 1 cup of Cuban pot roast, 2 cups of chopped romaine salad, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. To change things up, you can have a burger with salsa, cheese, and guacamole instead. Dinner: 1½ cups of chili spaghetti squash casserole, 2 cups of raw baby spinach, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free ranch dressing, or steak and eggs with a side salad. Between meal snacks: 24 raw almonds or 1 cup of bone broth. Day 7. Breakfast: 2 cream cheese pancakes, 2 slices of bacon, and a cup of coffee with heavy cream, or fried eggs with bacon and mushrooms. Lunch: half a cup of antipasta salad with 4 sun-dried tomatoes and feta meatballs, or a handful of nuts and celery sticks with guacamole and salsa. Dinner: 1 cup of Cuban pot roast, 2 cups of chopped romaine lettuce, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. If you want to go with something else, you can have pork chops with Parmesan cheese, broccoli, and salad. Between meal snacks: 1 cup of bone broth and 2 sticks of stringed cheese. And that's pretty much it. Yes, there are a lot of repeating dishes throughout this 7-day plan, but don't worry. You can still incorporate your favorite meals. Just make sure that they abide by the basic guidelines of the keto diet. Plus, the internet is full of awesome keto recipes, so have a look at what's out there. Now, you might experience some unpleasant side effects as you begin the ketogenic diet. The biggest one is keto flu, the symptoms of which include poor energy and mental function, increased hunger, sleep issues, nausea, and digestive discomfort. In order to minimize your risk of having these problems, try a regular low-carb diet for the first few weeks before going full-on keto. It'll give your body a chance to burn more fat while gradually preparing it for the ketogenic diet. Following a ketogenic diet can also change your body's water and mineral balance. Just try to add extra salt or take mineral supplements if you notice these changes, and be sure to check in with your doctor from time to time. Despite these unpleasant but still possible side effects, the ketogenic diet has been proven to have tons of amazing health benefits. Scientists from the Center for Obesity Research and Epidemiology at Robert Gordon University in the UK confirmed that this diet can decrease the risk of developing heart disease by stabilizing blood sugar and blood pressure levels, as well as increasing the good cholesterol in your blood. Researchers from the Department of Biomedical Sciences at Italy's University of Padova also found that lower insulin levels and eating less sugar and processed foods is really helpful for getting rid of acne. If you're still not convinced to give it a shot, then check this out. Several studies, including one conducted by the Department of Biology at Boston College, have shown that a ketogenic diet can be used to treat certain types of cancer and even slow tumor growth. Now that's impressive, right? And that's still not the complete list of all the health benefits that this diet can give you. So what are you waiting for? The ketogenic diet is everything you need to stay fit and healthy. And what do you think? Do diets really work, or are they just a waste of time? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a like and click that subscribe button to stay on the bright side of life.